Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain you about ratio. What is ratio? Ratio means ratio को हिंदी में अनुपात कहा जाता है. Ratio means होता है compare between two same quantities. Ratio means to compare between two same quantity, compare between two same quantities means two same quantities means मतलब ऐसे क्वांटिटीज जिसकी यूनिट एक हो, जिसकी यूनिट क्या हो, मीटर से मीटर को कंपेयर करना है, सेंटीमीटर से सेंटीमीटर को कंपेयर करना है. तो बच्चों ऐसा है कि ये कंपेयर बाय डिवीजन, ये कंपेयर दो मेथड से होता है. एक कंपेयर बाय डिवीजन और सेकंड कंपेयर बाय एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल कंपेयर बाय डिवीजन, compare by division. If there is right hand 5 meter and 60 centimeter, if there is right hand 5 meter and 60 centimeter, how you compare it? Here is डिफरेंट यूनिट. आप लोग देख रहे हैं यहाँ यूनिट अलग अलग है, यहाँ पर मीटर है, यहाँ पर सेंटीमीटर है. तो आप इसको कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे? जो यहाँ पर मीटर में है इसको आप सेंटीमीटर में बदल देंगे, इसको आप सेंटीमीटर में बदल देंगे, फिर आप इसको कंपेयर करेंगे. वन मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. देन 5 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 5 into 100 is equal to 500 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Here it become 500 centimeter and it becomes 60 centimeter. Now you compare it 500 centimeter upon 60 centimeter. Here 0 cancel. 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10. It become 25 upon 3 or it become 25 ratio 3. It become 25 ratio 3. In this way, by division, we compare two same quantities. See here, I take another example. See here, I take another example. If there is right hand, example second, if there is right hand 5 kilometer and 400 meter, how you compare it? See here, if there is right hand 5 kilometer and 400 meter, then how you compare it? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then 5 kilometer is equal to 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 meter. 5000 meter. Then compare it 5000 meter. Compare 5000 meter ratio by 400 meter. 400 meter. Here is meter and here is meter. There are same unit. Then how you compare it? Compare it by division. 5000 meter upon 400 meter. Here 0 cancel. It become 50 upon 4. 2 2 ja 4. It become 25. It become 25 upon 2 or 25 ratio by 2. 25 ratio by 2. In this way, by division, you compare between two same quantities. See here, I take another example. Example third. If there is right hand 5 hours and 25 seconds. 5 hours and 25 seconds. All of you see here how you compare it. First, you convert hour to second. Here 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? All of you see here. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? There is a problem. 1 hour is equal to 50 minutes. Here you solve in this way. 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Here you write 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60 is equal to 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. Now compare it. It becomes 3600 seconds. 3600 second ratio by 25 seconds. Ratio by 25 seconds. See here. 3600 second upon 25 second. Upon 25 second. Divided by 5 both sides. Here 5 5 are 25. Here 5 7 are 35. 1 10. 5 2 are 10 0. It becomes 720 upon 5. Divide by 5 both sides. 5 1 are 5. 5 1 are 5. 2 22. 5 4 are 20. 2 20. 5 4 are 20. It becomes 144 upon 1. It becomes 144 ratio by 1. Now I take another example. See here example 4. Example 4. If there is written 5 year and 6 months. 5 year and 6 months. How you compare it? 1 year is equal to 1 year is equal to 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. 5 year is equal to 5 into 12. 12 5 are 60 months. Now compare it. 60 months upon 6 months. Upon 6 months. 6 1 are 6. 6 10 are 60. It becomes 10 upon 1. Now you write it 10 ratio by 1. Now you write it 10 ratio by 1. Now I write homework. Ratio. Write in ratio. Here first question. 25 meter and 16 centimeter. Second question. 8 kilometer and 350 meter. Question third. 9 kilometer and 45 centimeter. Question 4. 225 kg and 650 gram. Question 5. 9 hours and 35 seconds. प्रोपोर्शन मीन्स होता क्या है? प्रोपोर्शन को हिंदी में समानुपात कहा जाता है. प्रोपोर्शन को हिंदी में समानुपात कहा जाता है. प्रोपोर्शन मीन्स कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो. कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो इज नोन एज प्रोपोर्शन. मीन्स कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो. ratio, comparison between two equivalent ratio is known as proportion, known as proportion. Comparison between two equivalent ratio is known as proportion. Here I gave an example. If there is written 2 ratio by 3, if there is written 2/3 is equal to 4/6. 2/3 is equal to 4/3. See here, these are equivalent ratio. How it is equivalent? See here. Here you divide by 2 both sides. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. It also become 2/3 and it also become 2/3. That means there is same ratio. That means there is equivalent quantities, equivalent ratio. Here is written comparison between two equivalent ratio is known as proportion. अगर दो इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो का आपस में तुलना किया जाता है तो उसको प्रोपोर्शन कहा जाता है. Here I take example first. If there is written 2 ratio by 3 proportion by 4 ratio by x. How you find value of x? See here. How you find value of x? See here. Here is a formula. Product of stream is equal to product of mean. Product of stream is equal to, here 2 and x. Here 2 and x are stream. 2 and x are stream. And 3 and 4 are mean. Here is a formula. Product of stream is equal to product of mean. Here is a formula. Product of stream is equal to product of mean is equal to product of mean. Stream means, all of you see here, stream means वह टर्म, जो टर्म बाहर लिखा गया है यहां पर 2 और x, here 2 and x, ये आउटर टर्म है, मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x. प्रोडक्ट मीन्स क्या होता? मल्टीप्लाई. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई x इज इक्वल टू, हियर इज मीन 3 and 4 इज इक्वल टू 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 4. हियर इन लेफ्ट साइड x मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, when it is goes right side there is divide by 2. Here x is equal to 3 multiply by 4 upon 2. 2 2 ja 4. Here 3 2 ja 6. X is equal to 6. Here is value of x is equal to 6. I take another example. Is written 8 ratio 16 proportion by 5 ratio x. How you find value of x? How you find value of x? There I write 4 ratio x, not 5 ratio x. How you find value of x? Here you use formula. Product of stream is equal to product of mean. See here. Here you use formula. Product of stream is equal to product of mean is equal to product of mean. Here 8 into x is equal to 16 into 4. Here x is equal to 16 into 4. Here in left side multiply by 8. When 8 goes right side, it divide there. It becomes 16 into 4 upon 8. Now solve it. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. X is equal to 4 2 ja 8. Here is value of x become 8. Now I take another example. See here. Here you use formula. Product of stream is equal to product of mean. Here is stream term 8 and x. 8 multiply by x is equal to 16 multiply by 4. Here in left side divide by 8. When 8 goes right side, and here it multiply in left side, when goes right side it divide there. Now solve it, it become 4 2 8 and value of x become 8. Now I take another example third. If there is right hand 16 ratio by 32 proportion by x ratio by 36, how you solve it? Here I change the place of x. Now you use formula and solve your question. I drive here a formula, product of stream is equal to product of mean. Product of stream is equal to product of mean. Here is the stream term 16 and 36. 16 multiplied by 36 is equal to 32 multiplied by x. Here in right side 32 multiplied here. When it goes left side, it divide there. It become 16 multiplied by 36 upon 32 is equal to x. Here 16 1 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. Here 2 1 ja 2, 16 2 8 ja 16. Here x is equal to 18. In this way, see here is right hand 16 ratio 32 proportion by x ratio 36. How you find value of x? See here, use formula, product of stream is equal to product of mean. 16 into 36 is equal to 32 into x. Here in right side 32 multiplied, when it goes left side it divide here. 16 2 ja 32. Here 2 1 ja 2, 8 ja 16, x is equal to 18. Now I gave you homework. See here, I write here homework. Find value of x. First question, 15 ratio by 40 proportion by 30 ratio by x. Second question, 12 ratio by 24 proportion by 60 ratio by x. Question third, 40 ratio by 60 proportion by x ratio by 120. Question 4, 25 ratio by 100 proportion by 50 ratio by x. Question 5, 100 ratio by 200 proportion by x ratio by 500. Now thanks to all of you for subscribe this video.